Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is 2 years of Project Cheetah. Recently, the central government's ambitious project to reintroduce cheetahs in India marked its 2 years anniversary following their extinction in 1952. The initiative began on 17 September 2022 when PM Modi released the first batch of 8 cheetahs from Namibia at Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Shiopur district. Despite facing challenges such as habitat adjustments and ensuring the survival of cubs, the project has seen notable progress. Currently, India is home to 24 cheetahs, including 12 adults and 12 cubs born locally. In 2022, 8 cheetahs brought from Namibia were introduced in India under Project Cheetah. Subsequently, 12 cheetahs from South Africa were also translocated and released in Kuno National Park in February 2023. The reintroduction of the cheetah, the fastest land animal, represents a significant step towards revitalizing India's biodiversity and restoring ecological balance. Now it's time for the practice question. Where were the cheetahs introduced to India brought from? South Africa, Kenya, Namibia, Botswana. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.